Hi folks, hope you're all doing well. Well, it's been a while. I think the last video I made on my channel was August last year, I think. So I'll tell you a wee bit about what's been happening. About August, September last year I sold a motorbike. I no longer own a motorbike. I have now bought this camper van. The thing motorbikes hate the most. So you'll probably also notice that the channel name's changed from Haggis Whisperer Motovlogs to Haggis Whisperer Adventures, and basically the channel from now on will be my wife and I's adventures in the camper van touring Scotland. So I'll give you a quick look of the inside of the camper van. It's a 2026 Swift Carrera 144. I'll give you a quick look. Let me swap this round. So we'll work our way down. Is the shower room, very small bathroom. We have kitchen, couple of gas hobs, small sink. We have an oven down here as well. And if we reverse back, we have a fridge, which isn't switched on at the moment. Plenty of storage, there's storage everywhere. I won't bore you with that. Cockpit, both chairs are captain's chairs, they both swivel round as well. We have a small dinette area here as well, which can also converts into a single bed. And if we work our way back up, this area here is a couple of benches, but they also convert into a double bed. Of course, a small TV as well, can't miss out on my YouTube. So that's it at the moment. I'll get you a look of the outside of the van in better weather. Right now it's not very nice. Hopefully you'll stay subscribed. You'll still see plenty of Scottish roads and scenery up the Highlands and down south as well. So until then, see you soon.